How to remove multiple accounts on your WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your multiple accounts on WhatsApp. So hello guys, if you are also using more than one WhatsApp on your device, so then what you can do is, and if you want to remove any of the WhatsApp from your device, then just click on your WhatsApp account and first open it and just click on this three dot icon over here and just head over to settings. From your settings just click on account, and from here you will be seeing this option called remove account. Just click on it and then click on this remove account once again and just remove your by pressing on the remove button, and then your account should be removed from this device. And just remember, it will only be removed from this device and not from other device if you are already logged into other device. So that is exactly how you do it guys. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.